Hi, it's me again. It is 29th of September. It's a Monday, and yeah, I lost today. 3 trades. I know. I fucked up. I know that. I really fucked up. But then I I really thought price was gonna move the way I don't know how to explain it. Like I really thought it would have played out the way I wanted it to play out. So for me, it's like okay, I we had the indication on German 30. I took 2 trades German 30, one on US 30. Yeah. So price indicated above swing highs. I'm like okay, we're clearly I now explain it here. I don't know why it's not updating here. Like I can't use long. I don't know. Like there's something wrong with the Wi-Fi. I don't know. But anyway, so price indicated above a high, and um, I thought okay today, and it indicated like in the AMs, right? Yes, it did. No, it indicated last week, and then it was just ranging for that whole time on Friday. Then come Monday morning in the session when the markets opened up, it spiked up. And I thought, okay, that's more or less that's an obvious indication. And then it just kept moving higher and higher. So in my head, I'm like, okay, price is bullish about this level now. So I did expect it to go down and tap into that indication level and then move back on up. So I entered trades based off that. So once I saw it get to a certain price level, okay, the first entry was wrong. I entered way too early. Or I would have entered way too early, and then yeah, I got stocked out. And then the second time it went to that level where I wanted it to go. So I thought, okay, now price is really gonna start moving up. But then again, sometimes it indicate the correction becomes heavy, and then it starts pushing up. So now I don't think you'll see it here, but it actually made a level of support here. I thought this level of support would count, but then it just continued selling off, and then it started pushing back up because it moved up and then those buys and then but the buys clearly weren't strong enough. So it was just going down. So and initially I did not want to trade today, but I thought I saw a perfect setup and clearly I didn't. And one thing that it's taught me is that it's kind of hard now to be disciplined and still trade at work at the same time because I don't have enough time to analyze. I'm not in a calm state. I'm in a state of I need to execute this as fast as possible so I can get back to work because I'm at work. And that's just not really a way to trade, bro. Like, it's really, really, really hard trading at work, bro. Like, I'm seeing it now. I thought earlier was easier, but it's just like, bro, I can't. I need that Zen moment when I'm at home and I'm just sitting at the charts and I'm just looking. I don't know if it's because maybe setups were easier when I was at home or if yeah, I really don't know. But when I was off I can tell the difference in terms of the mental state I was in. I was more calm, precise, entered at the right time. If I had capital I would have entered at the right time. And yeah, I guess this is why it really matters when you go full time because you just need to have that focus. You wake up in the morning, do your thing, exercise, whatever, do your routine, then you calm down, relax, and then you hop on the charts and you just start analyzing and seeing okay, what is market open gonna do? Are we bullish? Are we bearish? Or whatever the case is. So I learned that. Yeah, I took 2 trades and then I just lost like I'm basically halfway through my evaluation capital. I have like maybe 5 more chances. If I keep risking 500, I've got 5 more trades left before I blow this funded account or blow the evaluation. Yeah, I think now it's like, okay, shit. And then I also took a trade on US 30 because it went back to the same indication level, but then still started selling off. So I'm like, damn. Okay, I was in profits for like all the trades. Obviously, I didn't close because I didn't hit my take profit, and I'm not trying to scalp like that. So yeah, man, it just really took me up. But I'm not sad or anything. I'm just like, damn, why didn't it play out? And I realized, okay, June 30 was at an all-time high for one. Gonna all-time high. It indicated a high, so obviously it lost momentum and had to sell off. So I'm looking at it now. I'm like, okay. So initially in the morning, price sold off, right? Actually, it was moving up nicely, and then it indicated that okay, below this level we're bearish, and then it started moving up. Then it moved up and moved down and closed down, and then 15 minute. Okay, that's on the 15-minute time frame. So then I was just checking in now. Like, okay, price did indicate bearish below this level, and then it started selling off. I'm like, okay, so I should have seen that, but I'm thinking, yeah, it's just a sell off. I could have entered that trade, like no, like because it really sold off, but I didn't want to catch that trade. I wanted to catch. I don't want to catch the retracement. I wanted to catch the extension, the continuation. This was basically the correction, but I could have traded it because it did indicate above a high. So obviously there was bound to be a correction. So I'm seeing that now. I'm like, oh, okay. If we just indicated before session, like on the high time frame, a high, or if it's a low, then price is most likely gonna, how do I say, retrace during session open. So I'm like, oh, okay. I'm seeing that now, and it did give us an indication on the 5 minute, but I didn't want to like look too heavy on the 5 minute, and then just moved up and then just started selling off. So I could have caught this trade after it closed below this level with this candle. Could have entered here, then I would have seen some profits. Would have targeted maybe, I don't know what I would have targeted, probably this, maybe, and then maybe set my stop loss like above that indication level. But I would have still been fine because price moved up, moved down again, moved up, moved down again. So when it kept moving up, I'm thinking, okay, now it made a support, but it indicated and then moved back up and I was in profits. I should have been like, okay, damn. Now it didn't break any high. Okay, it did, and then just kept selling off. And then yeah, now we're ranging. So I could have like, I can't use these things. I don't know what's wrong with the Wi-Fi, but yeah. So I realized that okay, one, price is going to indicate, but it's going to correct. It corrected same time. It might not do this the same day. So I was looking for the continuation on the same day, of which I should remember that it won't indicate correct and then continue same day. I don't think price will do that. I don't think price does that. It's gonna indicate and then it's gonna correct maybe, but it won't do all three ICC methods in the same day. Maybe it does, but I saw that okay, if price indicates, I should wait. Okay, wait, it's gonna correct. Let me wait another day for the setup. Let me wait for it to close back above that level on the next day. So if price buys tomorrow, then yeah, then I was right. I was right because we've been buying since last week. So after it hit that level that I expected it to hit that other day, but yeah, man. Other than that, it's just learning, growing pains. But overall, I'm okay. I'm not. My psychology is not fucked. I mean, I did have a little bit of grief. It's like, man, maybe I'm not supposed to be there. But I'm like, nah, man, I can't be thinking like that. It's just a bad day, not a bad career or whatever, bad streak. I'm still learning, and I'm still trying to adapt to the whole thing of me working and still trading at the same time. So I know when I'm on leave, like these 2 weeks, I'm probably gonna find excellent setups. So hopefully I don't blow this account by then, and I find proper trades if market gives us opportunities to trade, and I see the right setups. But I'm still learning, still trying to figure out the right setups. So I should just know that, okay, indicated corrected. If I miss it, I miss it. But I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I won't enter same time. And yeah, got the haircut. Thought I was gonna get the haircut. I hope I look better on camera now. But yeah. So I should have seen this. So I mean, it works in every time frame, but obviously I want high time frame to confirm that, okay, this is the movement we're making. So yeah. So now price now is ranging. It's more or less ranging. So I could I'll check on the 15 minute. So it's playing around. So once it breaks this swing high and respects it and starts pushing up, then most likely we're gonna buy tomorrow's session. But if it doesn't indicate anything, then probably tomorrow will just be a calm day, and then Wednesday will come back. But I'll just see how market moves tomorrow. And plus tomorrow stock take and stuff. Oh, it's gonna be crazy, and I'm so exhausted. I need to get some sleep. But yeah, I'm just gonna break it down on here, and yeah, we still at it, man. We still at it. It's like what, only 2 months with ICC, but it's cool. We'll get there. We'll definitely get there. Yeah, my wins will be way bigger than these losses. But yeah, Godspeed, man. Keep going. We're gonna get there. Just stay locked in. Oh yeah, and I'm posting videos every day of the month of October on IG and YouTube. So I've been uploading steadily. But yeah, let me just break it down here, because to go on the so you see price indicated down here before session started, and then started selling off here. Then came New York, pushed up a bit, and then just started selling off. They made another indication, came back up, made almost equal highs, and started selling off. So I could have caught it at this candle. Set my stop above here, wasn't going to be a big risk. Price would have sold off, came back up, and then dropped again, made a lower high, and then lower high, low, and then yeah, I would have probably closed here. This would have been an excellent trade, but it's cool though. We'll see. German US 30 was almost the same thing. Yeah. Oh. So no, man. Oh yes. So there was this indication level here, because it broke this swing high. Yeah, now it's behind, bro. But either way, I don't know where I would have set my stops, because it's like nothing. I couldn't set my stop loss there. So price came above and just dropped. So I entered buys here. Then it bought for a bit. I was in profits, like 100 rand almost. Then it just came and chopped me, and then I moved back up. So I guess my timing is wrong, but like I said, I knew the price was not gonna go below this. It just, unless it actually made a lower high here, but we'll see how it plays out. And then yeah, that's basically the trades. But yeah, I need to keep account the 5 minute and the 15 minute, because that's what's happening in real time. But yeah, that's basically what I saw. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention. I'm cutting out US 30 and nasdaq. I'm gonna stick to gold and German 30, just so I can build my discipline and just not wanna be in every single market, because everything is moving. So yeah, I just need to stick to this plan and just stick to these two pairs, because gold moves, and gold's probably gonna sell off sometime and give us proper structure now, and we'll probably sell off somewhere, but and we'll have like levels to trade to. And then German 30, that's not going anywhere, because German 30, I love German 30. Most unpredictable sometimes, but overall, like, I've been trading it for months now, so once it picks a direction, it really moves that direction. So like, it just sold off today, so But I guess all markets do that. If it's gonna buy, it's gonna buy. But yeah, I'm understanding market structure and market patterns and not market patterns, movements and stuff and trends. So obviously, if it's gonna sell off, it's gonna sell off. Like obviously, duh. So yeah, I'll just wait and see how price plays out for Gemma 30, and then we'll just take it from there. I probably might not trade tomorrow. Like I said, I'm not trading those other pairs anymore. Just Gemma 30. So hopefully, the setup plays out tomorrow. If it doesn't, it's fine. Gold is in no man's land. But yeah, we'll see, man. We'll see. But I'll start scaling. Using more the 5 minutes and stuff. Obviously, overall for structure, and then just take into account the indications and see where price moves to. Yeah, yeah, we'll see. But I know I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this unlocked. Yeah, peace.